Good morning, everybody. It's Alex. It's May 1st, 2025. We're in a beautiful home in Hollywood, kind of a bungalow style, interior designer, lives here, selling it, who is an absolute chain smoker, super nice guy, but he wants to sell his house like all of our clients. So anyway, just a beautiful view. I'm sure he's going to miss, but this is the property here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead like we always do. We already have had the owner and myself take down the artwork from the walls. It was fully staged. As you can see, it's just lovely. So we're going to service the ceiling, the walls, the floors, all the baseboards, the window sills. These blinds are new. A lot of things in here are new, fairly new, so they're not totally polluted yet. Here is another bedroom. You can see we've taken down the artwork so that we can treat the walls. He's done that. He wants us to service the mattress a bit. These blinds, obviously we can't guarantee those. But he's going to wash these or get them dry cleaned. This is the other bathroom. You can see just a very beautiful home property for sale, I think for $2 million. This is his office. We're going to do this last. As you can see, it is just jam-packed with odor magnets, all these books and cardboard boxes, the albums, smell like cigarettes. He's been smoking in here for years. So he's going to do the best to get all this stuff out before we service this room, which is his office and study. This is the kitchen and living room area. So we'll service, again, the walls, those blinds, the ceiling. I'm going to turn these fans off prior to that. He's taken all his tchotchkes and put them right here. Just a lot of odor magnets in the house, like this stuff, this wood stuff that we can't guarantee, and he knows that. But super great client. There's some wicker here. We'll try to do our best on that as well. He did an absolute amazing thing. He cleaned out his entire closet. There's actually prospective buyers coming back for the second time to look at the property on Saturday, this Saturday. This is the master bedroom. And anyway, so he stripped the bed. We're going to go ahead and service it. The ceiling, the walls, the floors, this carpeting, you can see it's pretty stained. We're not taking care of any of those stains, but we'll do our best to bring this level 4 tobacco down to, he tried this stuff, which did absolutely no good. We can't guarantee any of this furniture, as he knows, but we're going to go ahead and service the back, which is composite wood, kind of a stronger paper, cardboardish material, which is a real odor magnet. Service inside all the closets. And here's the master bathroom. Again, a lot of things in flux here because we need to treat all the walls and take care of all of the stuff that it could be an odor magnet that we might be able to service, like the backside of these walls, this artwork here, as you can see. But anyway, here's the kitchen. And then here, as you can see, is the garage where he's put mostly everything that he could do. I was here a couple days ago and told him basically we need to get rid of all this stuff. But this is the best that he can do. And then we're going to service the AC system to make sure it smells fresh and clean. And that's right here. And he's got just an awful filter in here. You can see. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the garage, and we have, hopefully he has new filters. I asked him to get new filters. And that's really basically it. Another luxury property, another odor removal for tobacco, and we're going to take good care of it. All right, that's really basically it. We look forward to earning your business as well. Thank you for viewing.